Alright, scoundrels. So this is the secret bait box from Outlet Bait and Tackle. If I'm even in frame, I don't know. We're not going to do a real true full unboxing. Just going to dump this shit out. I'm just going to dump this stuff out and show you what we got. Got a couple of spinner baits, plastics, Z-Mans, some O-baits, got a big ol' honking crankbait. Let's see what that does. And another crankbait, and a steaker. Big ol' honking. So that's pretty much what we're gonna try to fish with today. I don't think we're really gonna try to do a true comparison type thing, just because, for reasons. Yeah, right. Well, we'll see why here in a minute. This is Matt's box. He got the mystery tackle box, the basic one, because it was similar price point. He got some little flapping shads, plastic. He also got a spinnerbait, some cream creatures. He got a crankbait, got a square bill there, and some hooks, some Harmony hooks, and a sticker. Yeah, you can have your stuff. I know, right? We've been waiting for this all day. We're doing this after work. Do have a little bit of time planned for everything or something. Kinda. I said or something. That's my little diddle doodle, whatever it's called. So, I'm using my medium rod today. That is all I have for once. And for my plastics, I'm just going to leave my Ned rig on for now, because that seems the easiest. And I'm going to start with that guy. Though I should probably start with this huge crankbait since it goes so deep. Might be good for trolling. Stretchy stretch. Look at that.
Now, how do you propose that rig?
Alright, so Matt here is not real familiar with things. Let me get mine rigged up real quick. And yep.
There isn't really a clear top or bottom.
No. You know how guys sometimes. So you'll go through the head. Probably call this the top because it's ridgy. So you go through the bottom, about probably around back by the end.
Push this up through and then that
Yeah.
through there. That what I'm going for?
Yeah, kinda.
Channel a little bit there.
Yeah, you can always pull it up a little bit and get your hook set inside of it a bit. So that way, yeah. And Matt's not real familiar with these soft things. Not that I'm an expert either, but I've been doing pretty good with it this year. Nice. It's always a good way to start. Holy muck, Batman. Alright, catch of the day, people. Yeah, I don't know if it'll be real good for it, but you're supposed to just let that one sink and bring it back slow. You can swim it if you want, but
Yeah, I didn't put a weight on it, so it's gonna take like 3 years to sink.
it might not necessarily be a bad thing. A lot of cotton on the top of the water today.
Some good, just underwater weedage here.
Yeah, I don't think this is like this last time we were through here.
This is good crankbait, spinner blade territory here.
Yeah.
Which luckily I have 2 rigs, so I'm going to throw the spinner blade on this one or the crankbait and give that a whirl. Well, white's not my color, but at least it's got the blades I like.
Yeah.
Weed of the day.
I thought I already hit that.
That's the kind of record you just keep topping constantly.
Right? My PB best weed, or my PB weed. Don't get too redundant there.
All right, white spinner blade.
Man, these are some hardy weeds, dude.
What do you think? I switched to something a little more weedless. I'm not brave enough to try that crankbait yet. Not in this crap.
The sad thing is I've got my supposed weedless Ned rig on. But I think my hook I don't think it's the hook that's catching though. I think it's the actual jig head. Oh, that's probably gonna be a lost bait.
Yep. Oh, sounded good. Did you win?
Yeah, got your keys.
Yeah, don't lose those.
You paddling back.
Looks like we're getting out of that weedy crap.
That'll be good.
Stupid cotton keeps getting caught up in my reel when I cast. It's like,
Yeah. Yeah, I'm having a little bit of that same problem. No, we don't want it.
Need me to go over there?
Wouldn't hurt.
So, we're at Box Butte. I don't know where he got this, but my son thought that horseflies were poisonous and went into full panic mode when he saw one.
Oh, you could have just backed up to it.
Almost died.
Poorly.
Hard to drive this thing in reverse, right?
You just doing what I do best.
Just break that stick off.
Ow. Nope, I'm gonna cut my finger.
See, now you're hooked on that hook.
I got the shit out of myself.
I have never caught anything on a white spinner blade before. This is some crap. That's the word I wanted to say. That's partly why I'm stuff's still missing. Whoa, there, guy.
Let's change her up a little bit. Because I've been wanting to throw spinnerbait anyways. This guy.
What color is yours? Ah, of course. You get more of my colors.
How many blades is yours?
Ew.
Nice.
They're both diamond shaped too, which is nice. They're the ones they have the best luck with. It's not white or green. It's always black, red, blue.
Well, that's the nice thing about these here mystery boxes. You get stuff you wouldn't normally get. That's what people say anyways.
Stuff that I would just think sucks. Can't all be winners though.
Yeah, this one will probably. Although that chrome, you'd probably have good luck with the white at Box View. Just because it matches what's in there a little bit better.
I don't know so much about, like, I think the pike population in this lake has died out pretty good.
I don't know, it's still above the state reg. Yeah, sure. Let's just keep having odd problems.
I don't know, because we were catching the crap out of them a few years ago. In the last couple of years, they just, unless it's just different lake, different. I don't know. I don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is either. No.
If I knew what it was, we would be catching them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Flapping shad actually might work pretty good. I don't know about in this territory, but it might work pretty good. There's a lot of shad in this lake. That's something they eat a lot.
Which is why a light should work pretty decent.
Where'd my hook go? Whew, stinky too.
What's that?
There's a flapping shad.
Oh, your other plastic?
Ah, that's my finger in a hook. I think this might be my best bet for actually catching something here. All right, little flapping shad, let's do this. Flapper away! It's cool, it's got a good sink pattern to it.
Yeah.
I have hope in this one. Kind of almost wish I had a jig head on it to give it a little extra weight. Use it like a Mr. Twister.
Yeah.
You can just get something in there, he's biting.
Yeah.
I pulled a bass out of there 3 times this year with a top water.
Nice.
The same hole. They aren't very big, but
Fish is a fish. Doesn't have to be super big. We're just trying to catch them. Today.
no, I don't really eat them anyway, so I don't care.
Yeah. Switch over to a T-rig.
It'd be nice to have more options. I've already almost fished everything I got.
Not my fault.
It is your fault.
You picked it.
You're the one who's like, get a mystery box. Get some sort of thing. We'll come out and fish with them. It'll be fun.
You wanted to anyways.
It was even your exact tone. It'll be fine.
It will be fun.
Oh.
Are you not having fun?
No. Being eaten alive, and I don't know, I just feel like I'm playing.
Apparently. God, you fucking baby.
Alright. Big fat neon green sucker here. Three to 4 foot depth. It's not as deep diving as I expected it to be. That's a plus.
That'd be a good one though. Be a little bit better if you.
It's just it's like twice the size of the crankbait that I normally use. us along here.
There we go, finally.
Oh. I can't see where that went because the sun's in my eyes and I'm in that tree. Yeah, I'm in that tree good. Might lose this lure before it even touches water.
That would suck.
It's in there. As soon as I started that cast, the sun hit my eye, and I'm like, I don't know where this is going. I hope it's going somewhere good, 'cause I can't tell. Whoa there, guy. Come back here. Yeah, I only wanted the one stick. I don't need all of you to come with me. Do the old axe motion. Axe box back. Ready for the ladies now.
Oh, we're a special breed, we are. Is that you?
Yeah.
Jeez.
This is monster crankbait, dude. Like a freaking boulder hitting the water. Oh.
Just weeds.
No, don't take my pole. It's mine. Don't take my pole.
Pole stealing tree.
It's a strange crankbait. I don't really know what to do with this thing. Apparently hookweed. That's what I'm gonna do with it. I got it. Woo! Woohoo! That sucker good, dude.
That's a good knot you got there, guy.
That's a pretty good knot. That's a pretty strong weed too. I don't know how I didn't uproot it.
I don't know what the heck these things want today. Jeez.
They had a meeting before we got here and we're like, we're not having any mystery box items.
Right?
This is a no mystery box zone. Screw them guys. All them long, slow, horrible hours of work. And you come fishing and it's like, bam! 2 hours gone.
I know, right?
My son is learning that lesson the hard way.
What's that?
Telling me, like, you got an hour to play video games. And I'm pretty good at watching the clock and telling me the time's up. My God, that was the quickest hour ever. Yep. That's how it goes, man.
You're doing something you really want to do.
I've had a lot in life there, big guy. And it sucks.
Who cares?
Come out here because I don't want to be reached.
Right? What?
Your cast.
It's
All
spit
that
water.
cotton.
What's that?
All that cotton on there. Should have brought snacks. Should have brought snacks. That little sandwich sure was enough.
Perfect.
I think I might have to get some wire cutters and cut that hook off, that loop off.
Nope, I got one.
You son of a bitch.
Oh man. Oh man, he's a fighter too. Yeah. Jeez, dude. Not a bad one. You know what you normally expect with a spinner bait?
I catch pike all the time on spinner baits.
He didn't like that.
Imagine so. Pulled out of his nice home to 3 inches of water.
Go near a cage. Yeah, dude, he barely even felt him hit. All right, well, I'm one on.
All right, there, guys. He's cheating because his box has 2 more baits than mine does. So we're gonna do a little cheating on our own here. This totally came in my box. I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, you could use the one that you have.
It sucks, and so do you.
Yeah.
It's not a good color. It's actually really the one I wanted to use to give it, but all right. Whoa there, guy.
Yeah, let's get you.
That was nut height, man. Woo. All right. I'll go back to using my white one. Can I at least change the skirt? Is that fair?
I suppose.
Okay.
You almost couldn't tell I had that one on because it was such a thick one.
That's kind of how they've been this year. They don't seem to hit that hard.
Oh, that is officially also my first fish on a spinnerbait.
There's officially me saying, fuck you. Nope. That's not what I wanted.
Oh, what you doing there, guy?
Yeah, I'm the tree assassin.
Tree angler.
Triangler.
Oh, me too.
I hit that tree like it owed me money.
Maybe it does.
We don't need music to get copyright infringement, because we can do that by singing just like the song.
Just gotta change the words. It's Vanilla Ice taught us. Just add an extra 64th of a note.
Yeah, I don't think that worked out. I think he still got sued.
I don't remember. Oh, that was a beautiful cast. Oh, that one's done.
What did you just lose?
Just a worm. Alright, last one for Shizzle. Who even says that? Snoop Dogg doesn't even say that anymore. Alright, so that was fishing with these boxes. I got all but one lure in the water. Yeah, you got all yours, didn't you?
I fished with all 4 of mine.
So, anyways, it's not necessarily about which box was better. It's just about coming out here and having some fun. Somebody caught a fish. No, I threw that in the right spot. I knew it should go there. That's intuition. Well, it's getting dark, as you can probably tell. This video probably looks like crap. I'm gonna close it out now. Thanks for watching. Do all the stuff, do some more stuff, and follow your weird.